So let me also show you how to rotate your element. Now, if we want to rotate this text, let's unlock it first. You see this stuff here, this stuff that looks like an arrow round. You can just drag it to rotate it any angle that you want. Okay, you can do that, and that's an easy way to rotate your element. If you want to crop your element, let's say we want to crop this picture, all we need to do is to select the picture, go to crop, and then we can now crop it the way we want it to be cropped. Okay, it's easier that way than for you to use this tool. You can also use this, but it's easier for you to crop it when you select it and go to crop. You can as well flip this image by selecting it, and then you see this tool here, flip. You can flip horizontal, you can flip vertical. Okay, so there's also something that you need to know. This particular shape is on top this picture. So if you want to take it to the back for any reason, let's say you want to take this particular one to the back, you select the shape and then you slide, and then you look for where it says position. You click on position and say backwards. So when you click on backwards, it automatically takes the text backward. When you click on to front, it takes it to the front, and then now the text is behind it. So you can click to the back and can click yeah, so it looks good now. You can just click forward and make it look how it was before. So that's why sometimes when you see stuff like this, let's say something that is so big like this, and they put it this way, all they need to do is to go there to the position and put it to the back. So you see, it just gives that very nice kind of design. So this is something that you can try and explore. There are quite a number of designs that have this kind of text at the back of the elements. It's called layering. There are different layers. So for example, if you slide if you tap on this and then you slide, you will see something called layers. When you tap on it, you will see everything that is on top each layer. So this is our first layer, which is the background we created. Then we added the picture, the image, we added this text, we added the logo, we added this text, we added this shape, we added this text. So you see everything that was there has been labeled according to how they appeared. So this is another way for you to even change, like take it to the back or take it to the front. So let's say this image now is below this particular shape. This image is below this particular shape. So if you use this tool here, you can bring it to the top, and you can see, do you see how it has taken this one back? Do you see? So in order to go back, just go back and everything goes normal. So explore the tool, the layer tool, the position tool, and then see how it works as you're designing. Good seeing you in the next lesson.